What's up, guys? Can everybody see me all right? Having a nice little pump here today. Anyways, just wanted to talk about the bull flag real quick. I still believe 100% this is a bull flag. I know that a lot of people are, same people that were calling a symmetrical triangle are now saying that it is a descending triangle. I think that's bullshit. I think this is a bull flag, and we're most likely going to head up, stick around in this area, maybe for, a few days, possibly longer before we break the bull flag, or we just go up and break it. But when we do break the top of this bull flag, guys, it is going to be something fucking fierce. Anyways, I want to look at the RSI real quick. If you watched the video this morning, I was looking at this as a descending wedge. We broke out of that, and now we're breaking out of the bigger descending wedge. What's up, guys? I will get in the room and chat in a minute. I just want to point out some stuff. If you guys watched this morning, this was a big deal right here. This line that we broke through was old support, became resistance. We broke through it like nothing. I'm gonna go into the weekly. And if you guys have been watching the channel, you know I've been watching this, calling it hidden bullish divergence. We're making lower lows in the RSI, higher lows in the price action. That's hidden bullish divergence on the weekly. It's a weekly, so it doesn't mean it plays out instantly, guys. But if this breaks, we're looking pretty damn good. It may break, come up, come back down, retest it, and then off from there. But this is huge, guys. This is huge. Let's go back into looking also at the volume. You can see this on this daily, we're not getting or on this weekly, beginning of the week, we're already green. Like I said, there's three red candles, three red weeks, in a bull run. That's about all you're going to get. This should definitely end a green candle. Look at the daily. Worst case, guys, I think now, again, we have to keep in mind, we could still hit these lows, but I think we're probably more likely going to see something like this, guys. That is my opinion. We'll see how it comes out, but it's looking pretty freaking bullish. I've never steered or veered off of my 46,000 by the end of the year, and I won't. I do believe it's coming. One thing I want to point out real quick, I don't normally do this, but this guy had commented 1,000,000 times. Let me get into it. Commented 1,000,000 times. Whenever I would talk about this hidden bullish divergence, he would keep saying it's going down. It's not hidden bullish divergence. You don't know what you're talking about. Let me know if you can see this. Can you guys see that? I'm going to read it to you. His name is John Baskin. And if he would have apologized, it would have been one thing. But he said it over and over every day, and I got sick of it. But anyway, he said, dude, you said it wrong again. You said we're making lower lows in the RSI and higher lows in the price action. That's hidden bullish divergence. Wrong, wrong, wrong. That's the kind of people I cannot stand, guys. People that think they know something and have no idea what the hell they're talking about. Just irks me big time. Anyways, that's out of the way. So I hope he's watching. If you're out there, I hope you Googled it like I told you 50 times. Damn, this is looking pretty damn bullish, guys. Still, I'm looking for the RSI to reset here, but it looks like we're just creating another bull flag on the hourly. This thing just does not want to stop. All right, so I'll get into the chat for a little bit. Don't forget to smash the likes, guys. Also, subscribe if you're new here. Definitely subscribe. I do updates every morning. The live streams are mostly just to get with the community and talk with you guys. We do a little bit of TA, but not much. But every morning I do a morning update every single morning on the market. Let's look at the targets I had set today for this move. Let me get this out of there. This measured move I had as the breakout of this rising wedge. If you belong to the Discord, you know I was saying 10,385. We blew by that a little bit. The next measured move is measuring this falling wedge here and putting it to where we broke out. That gets us up to around the 10,950, somewhere in that range. So that is my next target of this move. City Boy to Sandman, thanks, bro. Christian Marchand, I think you're the only guy out here that's been dead on 90% correct. Thanks, man. Shannon. Dude, you said it wrong again. Yeah, Shannon had made a comment in there. I wish I would have screenshotted hers, but he deleted the comments that time because I told him I was going to call him out on it. Savvy, do you think the run has anything to do with the Argentina default troubles? No, I don't. I think everything's baked into the charts, man. 11K resistance on a monthly triangle. Let's look at it. Well, actually, if you would look at this candle, the resistance would be about 12,000. Because I use the wicks. So if you looked at it as this being a triangle, which I don't believe that's what's going on here, but it would be something like this. And your resistance would be right up here at 11,500, 11,600 range. Beautiful day. It's funny how people's attitudes change, right? When Bitcoin's going up and the bears disappear. WebAge said, I think Circles expect some drop. Circles is whack. What's up, Edward? Nice to see you, man. What's up, Anthony? Someone said today's hike could be because they devalued the yen tonight. I don't know. It doesn't matter. Either way, it's all lining up with the charts. How would stuff line up perfectly if the news had anything to do with it? Really? Joe said 220K soon. Definitely possible in 2020. What's up, E. Martin? Midnight here in Belgium. Just wanted to hear your update. Not really much to update. Like I said, my live streams are just to get with you guys and talk with you. Litecoin? I'll pull up Litecoin real quick. My measured move on Litecoin is 72 if this wedge is correct right here. This bottom line being the support, top line being the resistance, the measured move of where we broke would get us up to the 72. There's another way to look at it, guys. You guys know I like my formations. So if you look here, this looks like a cup and a handle. And the break of the neckline gets us the same target. Around the 72 to 70, somewhere around the $72 range, $72.50, somewhere in there. That's my target for Litecoin. As you can see, let's go into a 1 hour real quick. As you can see in the 1 hour, well, I don't have my lines on the 1 hour, but we broke the resistance and we're coming back down and test it for support now. If we get support, I believe we continue up, and it does look like a bull flag will be forming here. So yeah, my target for Litecoin's around the 72.50 range. Target for Bitcoin's around the 10,009, somewhere in that range. James McGirt, what do you think Litecoin will be when Bitcoin hits 46,000? Between 500 and 1,000. That's my projection for Litecoin. Historical bull runs normally started around September, and the path isn't, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so I don't know. You know what's good is the bears are still calling for these lower lows. Let me get this stuff out of here. The bears are still calling for these lower lows, so that's a good sign. That means they'll be shorting and they'll be getting liquidated, and it'll keep doing shit like it did today. John Bronson, a pattern is a pattern. Mic drop, exit stage, right? Come December. Howdy, Savvy. Hope you had a good holiday weekend. I did. We didn't do much, man. Just kind of relaxed, lounged around. Bears are kind of weird. Any chance to hit 20K till the end of December? What's going to set it off is the break of this. Whenever we break the top of this flag, if we were to go straight up today, which I highly doubt that'll happen, but it'd be around the right around the 11,300 range. And it just declines throughout here. Like I said, we may see, let me zoom in a little bit. If we look at the RSI, it's pretty overextended right now. It'll probably come down. We'll probably try to find some support. But what I think this is going to end up doing is probably something like this. Creating a bull flag here and then up. But like I said, we'll see. That's why I do morning updates. I try to keep up with what's going on and let you guys know. Thanks for the tip, man. Much appreciated. What's wrong with looking at the bearish outlook? I've looked at the bearish outlook and we've looked at the bearish targets. I mean, they're possible, but guys, what I'm trying to tell you here is that we are in a parabolic bull run. I don't care what anybody says. This is still a parabolic bull run unless we broke down below the 7,200, which I do not see happening at all. I do believe Bitcoin is going to look just like that. Thanks, Center Mass Logistics. Thanks a lot, man. I appreciate it, bub. Savvy's new name, Short Wrecker. Yeah, it's a bullish pattern. It's 100% bullish, guys. Macro is as bullish gets. You know, a lot of the day traders and all that, they might be good at day trading, but they suck at looking at long-term analysis. They just don't get it. They're small mind frames stuck in a little hourly and 15 minutes, and they just don't get it. Buy us all a steak and beer if it goes down to 7K. Thanks for the tip, brother. Yeah, this is a buy and hold game, and I've said it a million times before too. Anything in this green area really doesn't mean shit. We're playing around in this bull flag. Even though I do believe it's a good possibility that we may not. All right, one more thing, yeah. If you guys been watching, you know this thick white line here I had is a trend change line. Where we drop below here, I do believe this is one big bull trap. And we pop back above it now. I do believe we're going to continue getting support from here now. If we don't, then we drop down, look at the yellow line. Trend line. Shannon, thanks. I hope you're safe out there with the hurricane, man. Appreciate the tip. Thanks, guys. Good looking out. Take this stinking fiat. Danny T said, I always wait for the MACD to cross bullish on the daily to dollar cost average. Anthony said, you think this is bad? Wait until we correct from 46K. Oh, yeah. I think from 46K, we'll probably see somewhere in the range between 25 and 30 maybe. And that'll probably end around maybe March 2020 and then move up from there. About the MACD, Dan T, I don't use the MACD. I think less is better. I stay away from all the indicators, especially the lagging ones. RSI is all I really use, and my EMAs. Thanks, City Boy. You deserve more from all of us for what you do. Thanks, brother. Keep it 100 always. Thanks a lot, man. I do appreciate that. But yeah, the RSI is definitely extended. It needs to cool down. But something you'll notice with Bitcoin, especially when it's running like this, the price can sit here and do this while the RSI continues down. The RSI resets for another move, and off it goes. That's usually what happens when we're bullish like this. So yeah, the RSI is definitely going to have to correct here at some point. Holding my Litecoin, praying it comes back someday. It'll come back. Stay away from the FUD. Don't pay attention to the FUD about the crap. I think Litecoin is one of the coins that's going to survive. Appreciate it, Center. Thanks, man. Appreciate the tip, guys. Trying to figure out how to change my name to Just Sandman. I have no idea how to change them in YouTube. Whether we're in a symmetrical triangle or a bull flag, they both share the common hypotenuse on my graph that will hit around 10.6. Yeah, I mean, they'll both share the same top, but that's not a triangle. If it was a triangle like people are saying, that's a bearish. That's bearish. That's a descending triangle. It is not a descending triangle. They're talking about getting, but you know, I don't want to say it's not. It could be, but they're talking about getting something like this, and then getting our drop. I don't see it. Definitely do not see that. If I'm wrong, I'll be the first to admit it, but I doubt it. What's up, Romaine? Senator Mass said he had to be the highest bidder. Glenn Lynch, great chat, Savvy. You have the most unbiased perspective of all TAs. Cheers. A lot of people from Discord. Who all is in here is from the Discord? Type 1 if you're from the Discord. Type 2 if you're not. Just to get an idea who's from the Discord in here. See a lot of 2s. If you guys aren't part of the Discord, join the Discord. Awesome community. You'll learn a lot. Just a great group of people in there. There's always people in there talking. So, what's up, J.O.? Now I know who you are. Definitely check it out. It's free. You'll get a lot of different views on a lot of different things in there, guys. Check it out. It's an awesome community. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't for daily updates every single morning. Smash the likes. Where do you go to join in? Below the video, below all my videos, there is, like earlier today in my video, it'll be in the comment section. The very top comment has all my links in there. There's also links that help the channel out if you use them. There are affiliate links in there, some exchange links, some other links, but go in the description below the video and you'll find the link to the Discord. Like I said, it's 100% free. Yeah, just don't get ripped off paying for those guys that charge for Discord, charge for courses. Everything they're giving you is just basics, and you can get it for free anywhere. Just like when they post, oh, this guy in my Discord group made blah blah blah. Well, they do that in every Discord group. People win trades all the time. That's what happens. So don't get suckered into paying for people's bullshit. James McGirt, the Discord keeps telling me that the email I have. I had another guy had the same problem the other day. James, email me after this, and we'll get that straightened out too. I don't remember what we had to do different, but it was something simple. Unless you've been booted off of Discord. Arlen, smash likes, guys. Yes, smash them. But yeah, oh yeah, one more thing I wanted to point out on this rising wedge here. I believe this will end up becoming support, the top of that wedge there. So, you know, if we do continue on this might be our support to get us up here. We'll see. The only way I'd get it, the least bit bearish here again is if we drop below this white trend line here, which I think that's most likely going to hold for support. But if it doesn't, then we'll start looking at the lower targets again. But until then, I see no reason to look at lower targets right now. Is the LTC cup and handle still in play? The big one? Yeah, I truly believe it's still in play. Yes, I do. I'll look at that real quick. Yes, I still believe that the big cup and handle is still in play. So RSI can reset and price can stay up. Yeah. If you've watched me explain hidden bullish divergence, that's when the RSI, show you the RSI is getting lower lows and the price action's getting higher lows. The best example of that is right here in the weekly. So let me go over to that. I'll just explain it real quick and hopefully it can make sense to you. That's how the RSI resets to make room for another push up. You can see in the price we're getting higher lows right here. We're getting lower lows in the RSI. That's how the RSI resets for another move up. That's why it's hidden bullish divergence. That's how it works. What are the chances of going to the next target at 10.9? Chances are pretty good. You know, we might get there overnight. But like I said, this RSI definitely is pretty high. I mean, it could go higher, especially in the 4 hour. It still has room to go up a little. But I am looking for it to probably cool off here. If we look at the 1 hour and see what's going on. Yeah, well, the 1 hour does look like it's making a little bull flag there, so do a measured move off of it. That would get us up to around the 10,750 would be the measure move if that is a bull flag printing right there. We'll see soon, I guess. Yeah, James, like I said, email me and we'll try to walk you through it to get in there. We had another guy last week that had the same problem, so just shoot me an email and we'll try to figure it out. My email's in the description below the video. Yeah, it's an awesome community, guys. If you guys haven't checked it out, definitely check out the Discord. I mean, it's free. If you don't like it, no harm done. Just get out. But other than that, it's a free community. It's awesome. There's a lot of people with different skill levels in there. I mean, there's people that just got into crypto. There's people that have been into crypto for a long time. There's just a lot of different experience in there. What do you think of the Litecoin Bitcoin ratio, and will it ever get to the all-time high again? I haven't looked at it in a while. I'm probably not going to look at it today just because I'm really watching this right here. This might pop here, guys. The target off that's around the 10.75. Let's go into the 15-minute look at it. Definitely looking like it wants to pop. If not, we could drop all the way back down to the $10,000 range. When will Litecoin hit your price prediction of 270? Before the end of the year. Ali's channel, Hucho. How's it going? The Sandman guy is kind of weird. It's nice to see you guys all in here tonight. So did everybody have a good weekend or what? Does the Finex maintenance have any impact? Bitfinex maintenance? I didn't even know there was any maintenance. I don't know. It may have a small impact, but like I said, guys, just go off the charts. The charts pretty much have it all in there. You just gotta find the right supports, resistance, trend lines. Keep an eye on your RSIs. That's another thing I wanted to point out. The RSIs, as you guys know, I'm pretty big on the RSI, and this is a 4-hour here. Right now, the 13 is getting ready to cross the 55. That's pretty freaking bullish. So we may have a nice continued move up here, guys. I didn't even look at that earlier. Yeah, Bitcoin is a beast right now. Lazy weekend? Yeah, me too, man. Elias, trusting your calls more and more, Savvy. I don't make calls though, man. I just give you my opinion on the market. And, you know, you guys got to do your own research and make your own decisions. Do not trade off my calls. I'm just showing you guys how I see the market. And if you can learn something from it, that's awesome. John Bronson, weekend, family, friends, and food. Nice. Barn Casino said, working bro, trying to make some fiat. Still parabolic. Yes, it is. When do I think Litecoin will break up? I don't know. Let's zoom in a little bit, see what's going on with it. Probably when after Bitcoin peaks and Bitcoin simmers down a little bit, I think then we'll probably see Litecoin run. But yeah, it just looks like it's printing a bull flag here. Looks good. Just got to get back over in the 1 hour. Just got to get back over this 6750 range and get that for support, and then I think Litecoin will start its move up from there. Looks pretty healthy though. Holy crap, looks like we may break 10.5 more upward shortly. Yeah, definitely possible. Like I said, if that is a little bull flag forming there. What was I looking at that? Yeah, there we go. Yeah, if this breaks up here, my target off that is around, what the hell did I say it was? This could go on for a little while, a little bit longer, but yeah, the target off that's around 10,750 range. Put a little target there. Yeah, but eventually, guys, it's going to have to cool off a little bit. But like I said, the price, Bitcoin can just travel sideways while the RSI cools off. So everybody thinks, you know, when the RSI is high, you sell there and then buy when it's low. That's not necessarily a good idea. You could sell here and the price can just gradually go up in the price while it goes down in the RSI. So don't use the RSI as a buy sell indicator. You will get wrecked. John McNatt said 11K watch long at 10,096, target 10,900. Nice. As long as you're using some stops in there, be careful. Any thoughts about when the alts coins run up? I'm guessing sometime in October. But Dan, I don't necessarily think all the alts are going to run like everybody thinks. I mean, you're definitely going to have some outliers that run, but I don't think it's going to be like last alt season. I really don't. Definitely, I'm sure some will pump, but and especially the smaller ones, if they pump, man, I would be careful because their market cap, it's so small. The volume would be so small, you might get stuck in there while everybody dumps on you. So just be careful. People, Litecoin is sneaky. It's in stealth mode. Then it's like, oh wow, Litecoin up 12%. That's pretty much how it does. Like I said, it'll probably be more likely when Bitcoin starts to correct off this move, or starts to consolidate. That's when I think Bitcoin will take off, which could be tonight, could be tomorrow. Just pullback. Pumping too fast, don't like it. That really isn't that fast of a pump. I mean, you look at it, it's nice and rounded. It's not that fast of a pump. Like I said, I'm looking for this white trend line, which was the top of this wedge, then this trend line to be support. So if it drops straight directly down, 99.50 would be where it was at right now. Thoughts on XRP? I have no thoughts on XRP, bud. Not gonna lie, I didn't think this run would be so rapid. I actually thought it would come earlier. If you see my video Friday morning, I had thought it would be a Friday dump and then pump for the weekend. Obviously in America, this is still our weekend because it's a holiday weekend, but we did get the pump finally. I thought it was coming. What's targets for Litecoin short term? Darian, I just showed that 72.50. That is my Litecoin target. Could look at this too as a rising wedge here, which would be bearish. I don't think it is, but just so you guys can see. And then if that's the case, the measured move off that, I'll give you a bearish and a bullish target. There's the bearish at 62.50, and then the bullish at 72.50. Those are my two Litecoin targets. This one actually should be orange, and my other one green. There we go. Those are my two Litecoin targets. I think we're going to do the 72.50 because I think this is a cup and a handle here, and we've broken the neckline. Mike Kinney said Savy's busy responding to CNN tweets. Smash likes, guys. And subscribe to the channel. This is just a live stream. So like I said, I do these just to get with the community and kind of talk to you guys and just kind of hang out. I always say I do that. Sounds crazy, but I do daily updates every single morning to keep everybody updated on the market. So definitely subscribe and tick the notification bell. That'll get you notified. Also, join our Discord group. It is 100% free. I'm not one of the scammers out there that tries to sell you shit courses or whatnot. We're all in this for the same reason, and those scammers need to get pulled out of this space. It's killing it. People are getting scammed and then they're scared away from crypto. D-Man, yes, I am. Appreciate it, Cawhead. How do you think Libra will affect Bitcoin? It wouldn't be nothing but good, because then people might start accepting digital currency as the future and realize the power of Bitcoin. Crypto revolution, a scammer. Anyone that's charging you for Discord groups or anything like that, yes, it's a scammer. When they're charging you, just like our Discord group, there's guys in there that know how to trade. There's different style traders. There's Elliott Wave traders. There's, you know, just every mix of people in there. Everybody helps each other find breakouts. You know, I don't trade alts, so I'm not into that part of it much, but there's those people are in there. And when you paid for them paid groups, it's not like that guy is making the calls. It's all the people in the group. So yeah, don't get sucked into that bullshit. Thoughts on Chinese central bank coin? I have no thoughts on it. What altcoins do you like? Honestly, Litecoin is the only altcoin I like. Mr. Magic, I'm just saying, anybody, if he's that good at trading, he shouldn't be have to charge people to do what he's doing. I mean, I don't know. I can't stand people taking money from people, promising them the world. Why do I like Litecoin so much? Because I believe in Litecoin. I mean, it's limited supply. It's not promising you the world like these other coins, saying it's going to do all these magnificent things on its white paper, just saying all kinds of bullshit. It's not a scam. Litecoin already does what it's intended to do. And I think Litecoin will succeed. I'm going to also start making videos telling you I'm going to release a secret indicator on a secret day at a secret time and see how many new people I can pull in. G. Machiavelli, been watching YouTube and Discord and observing market for 3 weeks. Started with 100 2 days ago and made a nice profit. So thanks, Savy. I did it. But would it not have been possible? Awesome. Kevin said Litecoin is excellent. It's awesome. Use it all the time. Yeah, Litecoin does exactly what it's supposed to already. Period. All the other ones, you know, are not even working projects that people are dumping money into. I don't get it. Crypto Kitty, nice. See ya in there. Yeah, if you just got in here, whatever, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for daily updates every morning. And check out the affiliate links below. That helps support the channel out, guys. That helps me keep everything free. Just, if you can use them, it's great. I got some exchange links in there and some other ones. So check it out and use them if you can. There's bonuses for signing up to some of the exchanges. Discounts on like Ledger and Brave browser also. That helps the channel out. And that's an awesome browser. You guys don't have to watch the commercials and crap when you watch the videos in the morning. I've made smarter moves and money since being here. Center Mass Logistics says. Nerafish said all 300 watchers press the effing like button. Any comments on Bakkt? No, not really. I think Bakkt's good for us, but you know, I don't know that we're, you know, that may be part of the chart, part of the big move up, but you know, we could be getting the ETF approved too come October, maybe even before. It is Chinese digital fiat. What is? JDH said leverage trading is life. Leverage trading is good. I don't do high leverage unless, you know, I play with a small amount and do just play around with it. But I do 5 times leverage and I do longer swing trades. I don't day trade. I don't have time to day trade. And plus I don't want to day trade. It just takes too much time. Chris Galtree said it's a surveillance coin so they can be taxed and monitored. Oh, you're talking about the Chinese one? Sandman said 350 people watching, 124 likes. Smash the damn likes, people. Leverage trading is great until it isn't. If you're playing safe, I mean, if you're using stop losses and risk management, I mean, as long as you're just not throwing stupid money and not understanding what you're doing. I mean, leverage trading, you definitely got to understand what you're doing. Otherwise, you will get wrecked. Savvy, you think the higher Bitcoin goes, it will be regulated? It depends on maybe how it moves. I don't know. We kind of have to wait. It's still early to, you know, they haven't even really been talking about how they're going to regulate it or what they're going to do. So it's kind of a waiting game there. Yeah, I mean, they can only do so much. Bitcoin's Bitcoin. They can't stop it. They can't do anything about it. I know people say they can, but they can't. They would have to shut the internet down, which would be impossible because the whole world revolves around the internet. Leverage trading is all about stops and timing. It is. It's risk management. I mean, that's the whole deal. You don't want to risk 20% to gain 5. Bull flag right now or not? You talking about right here? Yeah, this could still be a bull flag. Could be a little one. It could actually come out a little more. We could have another few hours in here. But yeah, it actually does look like it wants to go up more. Like I said, the 4-hour EMAs look just bullish as hell right now. 13's about to cross the 55 or the 21. Or no, the 25 or 55. The 13 is about to cross the 55, which is the white one about to cross the yellow one here. That's pretty damn bullish. But I think, you know, we might see sideways for a little while just because the RSI does need to reset. And as you can see, right here is what I'm talking about with the RSI resetting. Show you real quick. See, we're making higher highs. Let me show you. We're making higher lows right here in the price action. And then if you look down here, let me get this off. If you look down here, we're making, damn it, lower lows in the RSI right there. Lower lows there and higher lows here. That's the RSI resetting for another move up. This is in the 15-minute. It could carry over to the hourly, but yeah, we definitely have another push up coming, guys. Either to the 10,750, possibly all the way to the 10,950. How high can Bitcoin price go over time? Mindcoin asked. I mean, it's unlimited. It depends on how far it goes. You know, how quick it goes. I don't know if we'll ever see it, but it could be multi-million dollars a piece for a Bitcoin at some point. When Bitcoin is in beast mode, it breaks all the rules. Right on. Yeah, it's still looking bullish here, guys. Still looking like got more upward momentum to go. Definitely. Still still looks strong. Like I said, even if we do come up all the way up there, I still believe, I mean, we could break the flag up there, but, you know, we might end up getting something like this or something like this. But I do believe that this white line is most likely going to hold its support now, guys. And I like that people are still bearish, because that means there's still going to be people shorting it out there, and their shorts will help us push it up as they get liquidated. Can't wait for tomorrow's clickbaits on YouTube, right? Secret indicators and $450,000 Bitcoin when it goes down $500, then they're talking about a $4,000 Bitcoin. Come on. Love checking out the world debt clocks. Bitcoin's true price will only reveal itself when it's done with us. What time is it? All right, guys. Thanks for stopping in. I appreciate it. I have to work tomorrow, and I have to get up early to do a morning update, so I'm going to head out. But these are the targets I'd look for right now, guys. 10,750 to 10,950. And then in Litecoin, like I said, I have a low target of 6,250, but if this breaks up, which I do believe it is a cup and handle that's already broke, so 7,250 range. That's where I'm at with that. I appreciate everybody for stopping by. Have a great night, and I will see you in the morning. Take it easy, guys.